What the fuck? Oh my god. No, what? No. No. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to part 3 of the Flume inspired track from scratch series. We're having a good time here. We're trying to create a track in the style of Flume. So far what we've done in the series is the intro, the build up, the drop, and today we're going to tackle the bit after the drop, which I'm going to call the verse. Everybody calls it the verse. I got some pretty crazy ideas and I'm excited to get them down. But first, if you're binge watching the series, there's a little time code that pops up now, so you can skip ahead because you kind of know what the track sounds like. But if you're brand new to the series or just want like a refresh, this is what a song sounds like so far. So yeah, let's dive into it. So obviously this is the bit that we're gonna work on today. I'm just gonna move some shit out of the way. My idea is this: one part normal, one part weird. This is the normal part. I'm going to duplicate this, call this drop, verse, I guess. Okay, so we don't want that lead. Maybe not that chord progression. We kind of want the section stripped down because we're basically going to chuck some weird ass lead over the top of it. So we don't want any like major focus groups such as like the chord progression super saws or the leads, or since we're doing another lead, so it kind of makes sense that way. Yeah, that filter cutoff automation can go. To do a lead over the top of that, I have an idea. Mic, and this is gonna be so weird. Check. Sweet. No, fuck it. This will do. This is gonna be weird. All right, so this is my idea. That's literally it. We're gonna make a lead out of that. Let's see how it goes. I clipped hard. Holy shit. Maybe I might have to redo that. All right, I want to redo it and make the lead a little bit longer this time. Neighbors are gonna be thinking, what the fuck is he doing in there? Okay, it didn't clip, that's the good news. Does it sound shit? That is the next piece of important news. Okay, yeah. Fuck it. Oh, this is gonna be so weird. Auto-tune that shit. Shout out to me, that's a pretty consistent note right there. It is kind of consistent if you're thinking along the lines of, it's a D note, but it's like real fucked. Hopefully it works. All right, chuck it into a simpler, see what's up. Oh my god, the song's in D as well. It was meant to be. I cannot be fucked. Collision drama, whatever that is. Vintagifier. No, I want weirder than that. Amp simulating, there we go. Drop G solo. We should probably...
A few moments later.
Oh, I forgot that was in there. Fuck it, that's gonna be part of the song. We'll just chuck some heavy guitar tube, reverb the absolute balls off it. It actually blends in quite nicely. Oh, that was sick, whatever that was. Yeah, that bit. I kind of like that's real out of time as well. Oh, it's in triplets. That's not completely out of time, it's just a different ting. No. Kind of. Oh! Yep. Oh my god. No, what? No. No. Yeah. Hey yo Siri, who is Flume?
Did you accidentally summon me?
Siri, who is Flume?
Alright, here's what I got.
We're separated at birth. Thanks Siri. Alright, that lead, that just needs some ping pong delay and then... And then some random ass glitchy thing in here. Let's find some shit. Maybe even that. Maybe yeah. Let's see if that works. Glitch. Ting. Alright, let's just pull in a sound, sync it to a specific kind of rhythm, and then just full on distort that sound, and then see what it sounds like. Creative sound design at its finest. Resistance, effects, because we kind of want an effect. That's on its way. Now, distortion. At the end of every good distortion chain lies an OTT. Yeah. Alright, so we want overdrive. On saturator, dynamic tube. Overdrive at the end. That's alright. Yeah! Alright, let's hit it. Duplicate that. Go into the second instance. Octave up. Oh, but then that note's the same because it's essentially this note. Alright, so that's cool. Second instance, let's just see what works. That works. That there. Kinda just doing the same chord progression over and over. We need some variation. Maybe we bring that chord progression back. But octave down. Duplicate that over. Fuck it, whatever works. I don't know if I love it or hate it. Let's bring back in the vocal thing. Flume just integrates some weird ass sounds here and there to spice up his tracks, but I don't know if that's too weird. Oh, this whole episode has just been too weird. Just see what works, what doesn't. No! Alright, one more thing to record. Subtle. Alright, well I'm gonna sum up the episode there. It's just been one weird thing after the other and kind of working, kind of not, but you guys can obviously tell me in the comments if you think it's too weird or not. From a structure perspective, like how it dips into like a stripped down version of the chorus and then just gradually progresses into like a chilled chordy bit. I'm really happy with that. It's just everything in between, like the weird me instrument and the distort effects and like the random 808s here and there. Yeah, interesting episode overall. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. So the next episode will be the bridge and then build up into the last drop. And the last drop I'm going to do in the style of Flume's latest mixtape. God knows how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to get weird on the effects, see what happens. It's going to be a fun episode. Stay tuned for that and subscribe so you don't miss it. Time to play out the track and therefore play out the video. You guys are awesome. Love you 3000. Here is our tune so far.
Thank you.